Hi, day 19 today. We're getting up there. How are you today? We're looking at fireplaces today because they're also an item in the house that attracts people. You want to connect with others. You want to invite them over for a fire, have some hot cocoa or a drink, and whether they're gas or wood, then you still have to make things look nice and keep things clean and arrange things properly as well too. I wanted to show you, I'm collecting fireplaces. I'm doing a blog seminar on that, so stay tuned. But this particular one, I mean, really, it goes way up to the ceiling. And so what I've done with this shelf, we're running the same rules as we did over in the dining room, is that you need about 50% real estate left blank. And that blank there allows chi and circulation around your treasured items, alrighty? And then it doesn't look like a jumbled bunch of stuff. Now, some fireplaces, and I've been in homes that just have basically brick or stone straight from the top to the bottom without a shelf here, and they do appear to be very massively imposing. And I'll show you some pictures. Some have huge rocks, some have little teeny weeny tiles, the really modern ones. And I really do like to see a shelf or some kind of a break around shoulder level. This one's a little bit higher for scale here. And it kind of breaks things up a little bit, brings your focus down into a cozy knit space. So what I've done with this fireplace, in fact, interesting enough, when we first moved into the house, we thought, man, what an ugly fireplace. What are we gonna do with this? And I know there's a lot of people painting fireplaces, but you know, so hard to unpaint them again. If you can work with it, then let's work with it. And what I did with so much enormous amount of warm brick and massive, I put some cooler tones up here to kind of balance things out. And that's what feng shui is all about, is working with the balance. So not only have I got, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 items up there, but they're kind of working together. And I like an asymmetrical approach rather than a line everything up like tin soldiers type of approach. So I've got a little flower in the corner here with some light colors. I've taken some of the golds and coppers out of here to put into the pots. I've got a little bit of inspiration here. If you can see this, it says live in harmony. I love that. And of course, I've replicated this color again over on the side here with the Blue Mountain pottery from one of my relatives. So that's pretty cool. So I want you to go in and make sure you've got enough room to dust things. We've got here 2 glass lamps with some oil in it in case the lights go out. We can light those. And of course, on either side of the fireplace too, we've got some scuds. You can see one on that side. And is that going to show over here? And there's some of my fake plants. There's another one behind there. I love to bring the greenery into the house. We were talking on the Facebook page about real trees and fake trees. Well, I have fake trees in my house. There's a red one on this side, and there's 2 green ones, a bamboo and another, looks like a ficus type plant here all year round, because I just love to bring the outdoors in. And yes, they do need to be dusted every couple of months. You take them outside, let them blow around in the wind, shake them out a little bit, and bring them back, put them in a pot. And so that's the maintenance on these fake plants. And downstairs, let's just look at some stuff here. We had a fire last night in here, so you can see that we have boxes of wood and kindled. And I found these bins a couple of years ago. They're very lightweight, kind of stylish, so I don't mind looking at this. My husband brings in the wood we've got 2 of these bins, and they don't look too bad sitting in the living room. Like a regular wood pile, but that's how we kind of organize a real wood burning fireplace. And so if you've got a gas one, you're very lucky. There's less mess. We really like the gas fireplace in our other home. We could just turn it on for 20 minutes at a time, and it was lovely. But when you have a wood fireplace, there's a little more safety involved, little coordination between lighting the fire and opening a vent and maintenance. So you do need to plan on 2 to 4 hours in an evening if you want the fireplace. And again, if you set it up so that you can see it from the dining room table, the living room area, the kitchen, if you set something up, a nice seating area so you can enjoy the fire as well as a dine or partake in some of your other activities. It's a win-win all around. Anyway, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow, and I've got something very special for you. Stay tuned. Bye.